But he said it would be here. What the heck are you talking about? I don't know who your friend is, but you guys should start the Idiot Freedom Front and free yourselves from stupidity. There's no secret base, and there's definitely no time machine. Ah! Aha! Let's go. Okay, just because I'm following you does not mean I am following you. Follow me. Did you not hear what I said? I'm not following you. There's just no other way. Ah!
Decontamination complete.
What is that? Ow! It's a map, you idiot!
A map? Will it lead us to the time machine?
They aren't gonna just write time machine on the...
Where is it?
It's, oh... We follow the blue line.
The blue line, of course.
Of course! We'll both follow the blue line and get to the time machine and stop Thanksgiving.
Welcome to the team. Like two pieces of twine woven together, we are a strong and beautiful braid.
Yeah, if we're gonna do this, you're gonna have to stop being weird.
Ted Hunt!
You don't have to touch me when you talk to me, okay? Don't touch me, in fact. Whoa.
Enemy approaching! What are you doing? They almost got us.
Us! They almost got you! We are not in us! I'm a flock of one. I'm a lone wolf, ese el solo lobo. Ho, ho, ho. Witness the awesome power of the pardoned turkey.
Get back!
Hey, guys!